Raise your hand if you've ever binge-watched literally anything to avoid starting that one task. Yeah, we've all been there. Today we're going to tackle procrastination, not by shaming you, but by giving you tools that actually work. Let's turn "I'll do it later" into "let's get this done." Part 1. Why we procrastinate. Procrastination isn't laziness. It's your brain avoiding discomfort. Maybe the task feels overwhelming, boring, or scary. Your brain goes, "let's clean the fridge instead." Or TikTok won't scroll itself. Sound familiar? Here's the secret. Procrastination is an emotional problem, not a time management problem. We avoid tasks that make us feel anxious or insecure. But the good news? You can hack your brain to work with you, not against you. Part 2. The 3-step anti-procrastination framework. Step 1. The 2-minute rule. Start with just 2 minutes. Tell yourself, "I'll work on this for 120 seconds, then I can quit." Why? Starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, momentum kicks in. You'll often think, "Okay, I can keep going." Step 2. Eat the frog, but slice it first. Big tasks feel scary. Break them into stupidly small steps. Writing a report? Step 1. Open the document. Step 2. Write 1 sentence. Celebrate tiny wins. They rewire your brain to feel capable. Step 3. Reward your future self. Promise yourself a reward after the task. "If I finish this email, I'll watch 1 episode. Trick your brain into linking work with pleasure. Pro tip: make the reward immediate, not someday. And if all else fails, do the task badly. A messy draft is better than a blank page. You can edit crap. Part 3. The procrastination emergency kit. When the procrastination monster attacks, try these. 1. The 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 go method. Count down from 5 and move on go. No overthinking. Works like a launch code for your brain. 2. Body doubling. Work on Zoom with a friend or a study with me YouTube video. Just having someone nearby keeps you accountable. 3. Environment hacks. Go to a cafe, library, or even a different room. New space equals new focus. Bonus: wear shoes. Seriously, it tricks your brain into work mode. Hey, whatever works, right? Part 4. Be kind to yourself. Procrastinated all day? Don't guilt trip yourself. Shame keeps the cycle going. Instead, say, "Today was tough. What can I try differently tomorrow?" Progress greater than perfection. You're not a machine, you're human. And hey, if you're watching this video instead of working, perfect timing. Use these tips now. Open that document, write 1 sentence. You've got this. Next time you feel stuck, remember, procrastination isn't your enemy. It's a signal. Listen to it, tweak your approach, and take that first tiny step. Now go out there and, wait, finish this video first.